Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm playing Garry's mod. I'm going to be showing you the fastest, whatever this car is, airport car. It's fast without this turbo, but watch with the turbo. Holy. And we crashed. Yeah, let's get our physics gun in. Let's get out of here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow. I needed another Skittle. Hold on. Okay. No! Ah! Oh. Let's get the med kit. There we go. Hold on. This gun is so scary. Watch this. Like, that one's not scary. This one is. Look. Yeah, we gotta get rid of those. What the freak was that? Alright. Let's get an actual gun now. RPG. RPG. So, the RPG rocket. This is all you gotta do. You need to move. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? I'm so sorry about that. Holy. I need a med kit fast. Holy crap, guys. It's fine, I guess. NPCs. Oh gosh! Sorry if I yelled pretty loud in that mic. Oh my. Hey buds. Oh gosh, guys. Help me! I need a ton of you guys. And great. Let's kill them! Let's get the crossbow, I guess. Okay, guys, NPCs. Wait. Crossbow. I gotta get a ton of these. There is going to be a zombie attack, guys. Get him! Get it! Get it! Holy! What is that crap? Alright, what we need to do, guys, we need to spawn a ton of these. Like, a ton. Oh no. Let's get an SMG, guys. Yo, the... Oh! Oh my... That's a bad zombie. Can you guys kill this guy for me? What guns are you guys using? It's like a... Let's try to kill him. This. Alright. NPCs. Zombie. You guys are gosh darn retarded. Ah! Yeah, there's no way we can do that. Alright. We need to get the AR-12. Hi, bud. Alright, guys. Sorry, but I have to leave you guys. Holy! Did you guys just see that? It just went flying into here. That is so funny. Alright. Well, I'm going to end the video, soon, guys. Not yet. Soon, though. And, yeah. Let's see the engine of this thing. There is no engine? How is this thing so fast? Okay, there we go. Let's go up here. Holy! Where'd he even go? Hey, bud. It looks like you're going to go in here. What even? They can't go through walls if I go through them. They have to go. Come. Maybe if we go. We could probably get it in, guys. Me, you're stupid. Can I do that? Me says you're stupid. Alright. I don't know really how to do that. Hey, buddy! Whoa. Did you guys see that secret, like, room? Right here. You guys see this? Whatever, it's gone. Doesn't like to be with us, guys. You guys seeing that? It's nice and joyful, but then it's all dark. Whoa! If you guys fly and then hit V again, you just go flying, guys. Oh. So look, V is to no clip and or fly, and then press V again, hold shift, and that really did a lot of damage, so we gotta throw a ton of these on the floor, and then, oh, whoa, that was crazy, guys. You wanna see something cool? You go to balloons, alright. Go to vehicles, spawn any vehicle you want. And then put a ton of balloons on them. Holy crap, and then this will happen, guys. Alright, holy crap. Whoa! Oh! Everybody okay back there? Yeah. Get out of the vehicle, guys. It's funny when you get... Oh, I know what I gotta do, guys. There's a thing called... Wait, what's winch? I don't know. Pulley. Rope. tie it there. And then bam, bam, and bam, bam. Then there we go. Bam, 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 bam. And then let's go back to balloons. Where is it? Alright, what the crap? Yo, the rope works! No! Whoa. This was where it was going to originally be, guys. This was the original world. No way. This is a tiny world. How would we freaking be fitting in this? Whoa. Yo. This is probably just an Easter egg or something they put in. Holy, oh! Everybody okay? Alright, well, let's leave the game, and I think I'll end the video here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!